everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we are in the beautiful community of Meridiana, located in Manville, Texas. Now, Manville, Texas is right next door to Pearland, Texas. So that's to help to give you a better reference of where this community is located. Now, Meridiana is a new master plan community they've been building for several years, and they have plenty more space and land to build on. So, this beautiful builder that we're currently viewing, it is going to be Chesmar Homes, and the model is going to be the Montgomery. Now, this one story, four bedroom, 3.5 bath home is a little over 2,500 square feet, and the starting price is going to be in the mid $400,000 range. Now, the one thing that you need to know about Meridiana, it is a growing community, and the schools, they are planning on building additional schools that are on site in the future. Currently, the schools that are zoned to Meridiana are Meridiana Elementary, Calfay Junior High, and Manville High School. So before you sign that contract and move into this community, if you are determined to figure out what school your children will be zoned to, always ask what school they're currently zoned to, and number two, if they are planning on building any additional schools in the future that might affect your school, the school that your children will be in. Now, if you have not done so already, do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly tours that showcases communities around the Houston metropolitan area. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Linda Blue. I'm your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below, and I will definitely answer that question for you. Enjoy the rest of this tour and have a wonderful and blessed day.